Amazon listing not selling, I'll give you a breakdown on why it's happening and how to fix it. So the first thing that I've seen that's been happening lately is listings being ghosted, not indexing, or missing a category node. So what happens is there's like a listing like this, right? And this one got an adult flag, aka got ghosted on Amazon. What that means is randomly your listing cannot be found. It's not searchable. So if we go to the listing, here's the listing right here. They actually have to change. They're trying to get it like back on. But what happens is if you type in your ASIN into Amazon, what you want to do right now is go into Amazon. You're going to go to all departments, right? Make sure it says all departments. Type in your ASIN. If it doesn't show your ASIN, right, it says no results, that means that you have been potentially ghosted. You're not indexing, you're missing a category node, aka your listing is not searchable on Amazon. You have to do it this way where it says all, right? It's been happening a lot lately. And what happens when you contact Amazon is they'll say, oh, they'll lie to you sometimes. I have been investigated and confirmed that your product is not flagged as an adult and it's not shadow banned. So I don't know if they made up that name. Now they're calling it shadow banned, but pretty much it's pretty much called not indexing. You're just not indexing on Amazon. And this has been happening a lot lately. So just be prepared for that. And that's going to be number one. Number two is your listing is banned from ads. So if we go into Amazon Seller Central, right, and then you go to your ads, you go to advertising, campaign manager. When you do go here, if you're all of a sudden everything is flatlined like this, that might mean that your Amazon ads have been banned, right? So Amazon sometimes suspends your ads, or they say your ads are in moderation and they don't tell you about it. This is your time to contact Amazon advertising support. In the first point, you contact Amazon seller support. This one is an advertising issue. So you're going to go into advertising, click the question mark, and contact it advertising support to make sure your ads are properly running and everything's good to go. And it happens a lot of the time where Amazon just randomly shuts down your ads. So just be ready for that. Number three is you're not properly doing SEO. So make sure your SEO is being properly done. SEO is not forget it, set it and forget it. So if we're doing SEO right now, and SEO is pretty much going to help you rank higher. It's going to be your title, your bullet points, back-end keywords that a lot of people forget about. And there's really 4 phases. The first one is going to be making sure your listing has the best keywords possible, aka what the heck are customers typing in to find your product? You should know that by now. And then what are your competitors doing, right? Are the ones that are making more money than you? You should be looking at them as well. Then you should be cycling your keywords every 60 to 90 days. And then once you do that, you should be able to find your number 1 best keywords and having those right in the title if possible. And then there's also a tool that Amazon gives you directly for a target share. And we do have a little bit of a cheat sheet right here on your SEO and how many letters, aka characters, you should be having on your listing to make sure you're getting the best. This is an example of some good SEO right here. And they're really keyword stuffing to help them show up multiple times on Amazon. You can also do back-end keywords behind your listing. Just click edit on your listing. You'll see that tab. If you have A+ content, this is your time to put Spanish keywords or back-end keywords that customers can't see, but it's going to help you rank on Amazon. That's going to be another thing. And then, of course, like I just said, updating your keywords every 60 to 90 days. That's going to help you rank even higher. Now, there are tools like Helium 10 where you can actually put in your competitors' ASIN, and it's going to show you all of their rankings. Not only that, it's going to show you how many people search this keyword specifically on Amazon every 30 days. You want to have keywords that people are searching and show up for those, because if you can show up and you're on page number 1, people see you potentially 90,000 times, that's definitely going to help you generate more sales. Don't forget to do an audit. There is something called a search query performance report that's This one's super advanced. So this is probably going to be the last thing you do, but this is going to be given directly by Amazon. It's going to tell you exactly what customers are searching for and where's your rank for that. That's going to help you show up on #1 as Amazon. So just go through those really quick. I know I did a quick breakdown, but you don't want your listing to look like this, where it just doesn't make much sense, right? It doesn't efficient ball collection, large capacity. It needs to have more benefits, more SEO to help you be seen, right? There's a lot of kind of things that are messed up with this listing, but those are just one of them. I'm looking at the bullet points, and the title right off the bat could be 100% improved. And if you don't know where to start, just go to our websites right in the link below. We'll give you a free listing audit. Just fill in this form right here, click submit, and then we'll actually go through all of your top competitors, what they're doing, what you can do to improve. And we'll actually have an expert coming for free to tell you why you're not generating as much sales as your competitor and some small changes you can make to increase your sales. But we also have an Amazon listing audit checklist, right? So we've got the title, bullet points. Make sure you're looking at the top competitors. You should have at least 5 bullet points. Try to get as close to 500 letters per bullet point. Don't keyword stuff. Actually read your bullet points yourself. People miss that. Your description, photos. You need to have lifestyle images. If you don't know what that is, definitely Google it. Product details. This is going to be the back end of your listing, or things that say product benefits on your actual listing. Having a brand story does help. And you can have up to, I believe, 20 modules in brand story. Premium A+ content, having a brand store. Make sure you have solid reviews if possible. Video on your listing. Your category is correct. We've seen this happening so much with the wrong category. And you are FBA. So go through that. And then we have another one where you can do an ASIN review checklist. And this is actual implementation. You need to be writing it down and have like some sort of checklist so you and everybody on your team can have a process that's standard, aka standard operating procedure. And that's going to help you succeed on Amazon. Remember to keep it simple. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. We'll manage your inventory, customer service, ads, design. Make sure you don't get any shadow banned, adult flags, and most importantly, grow your sales. It's all about helping you work on your business, not in it every day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.
Me.